Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm down in Regent's Park in London. I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me, and I've got mounted the 55-200, the Canon 55-200. I'm just going to take a walk through Regent's Park and out the other side and see what sort of shots we can get with this lens. And let's just check the settings that we're on. ISO 200, got it on aperture priority at the moment, 5.6. Let's just see what that does for us. It gives us about 160th of a second. Let's just zoom in on those workers just to get used to the light today. Yeah, I think I'm going to put the ISO on auto. I'm going to put this on manual because I do like about at least 320th of a second, maybe 400th. Let's see what that's doing. Yeah, well, that's giving us an ISO of 160 anyway, so that's quite good. So we're walking into the sun actually. So let's see what sort of shots we can get. This looks quite nice up here. Just get the top of this statue. Now I'm going to see if I can get the statue of these couple of guys here. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that one. Tells a bit of a story. I'm just going to get another one here. So we're in at 55mm. And I'm just getting this cyclist now. Brilliant, happy with that. Hopefully that comes out. You would have seen it by now. Now look at this chap over here. I want to get this person sitting on the bench. I think this will really look good in black and white. I'm happy with that. Got some nice shadows. Got the shadow of the person on the bench. So really happy with that. I will just get this person walking past. So we're still only at 55mm, not really zoomed in. Look at this person, she's just standing on her own. I'm just going to get her. She's obviously stopped here to have a look at the phone. So that was one at 135 and one at 80. Now this chap on the left, he looks interesting. I've just got to get past him. Okay, I think this is going to be a good shot here. Let's just get him in the frame. Happy with that one, got nice shadows and light coming in. Happy with that one. Just a zoomed in shot at 200. I'm going to get somebody else walking past the fountain. So I've got quite a fast shutter speed, 160th of a second. This is interesting. Looks like a scene from a movie, so I thought I'd take that. But what I want to do now is slow the shutter speed right down so that I can get the fountain looking a bit blurred out, and then somebody walking past and see if I can get them blurry. That's okay. I seem to have got him blurred and people in the background sharp. I've slowed it really down a lot here. Let's just hold my hands a bit closer. Okay, so 13th of a second is really slow, but I think it's got the effect that I want. I'm just going to get these two people going through now, try and get them a little bit blurred to show they're walking, but again at 13th of a second this is tough. Okay, so I'm at the other end of Regent's Park now, so I'm just going to go along here. Right, leading line and cyclist, this is a good one. I think that one came out okay. I've got some more cyclists coming along now. I'm on 500th of a second, so a bit faster now, which is good. Let's just get this one. Yep, happy with that. So this camera, I mean I love the camera, as most of you know, and this 55-200, it's just so light to carry around. It's a great one. I just want to get somebody in this gap. This person would do. Oh yeah, happy with that. In at 55mm there. Oh, and these people behind him. Oh, that's good. Just tells a bit of a story, that one, I think. Look at that. I love how the BT tower is just poking up behind those trees. It's a great shot. I always like to take a photo of this. So let's just frame it up. Yep, happy with that one, with the trees at the bottom and the BT tower coming out the top. Oh, I'm just going to get this shot. It's like another shot, but it's coming out the top of that office block in front. I do love shots like this. So I'm in at 90mm. Hopefully that one's come out okay. Oh, let's get this cyclist. Yep, I think I got him okay. You would have seen that by now. Oh, I like this. I'm going to use this as a frame. Yeah, I like that. People walking through. Oh, look at these reflections just above. Got to see if I can get a shot here. Yeah, that's okay. It's not too bad. Oh, BT tower. I've got to get this one again. More of the tower this time. Hopefully that one's come out okay. Oh, look at this. This is like a little bit of artwork. Let's see if I can use it as a frame. Yeah, pretty happy with that one. Oh, look at these shadows. I've got to get this. Not too happy with that one. Let's just move forward a bit. Okay, going to get these two people. Use the tree and the building as a frame. That's good. I like that. Now look at this building. It's really colourful. I've just got to take a picture of this. Lots of blues and purples, and it blends in with the sky. Really love that shot. Hopefully it comes out okay. This building on the right's quite nice as well, with a nice blue sky. That's come out okay. Happy with that one. Now I'm going to zoom in and see if I can just get some shots of people. Just see a lady coming through. I'm going to get her. There she is. Happy with that one. Ah, this chap. Let's get him. That's good. It tells a story. Holding his lunch. Just going to get one more. That person sitting there. It all tells stories, doesn't it? The office workers coming out for lunch. Oh, this chap in the bus stop. I've got to get this shot. I do like this type of shot. Happy with that one. That's good. Oh, look at this person in the coffee shop. Oh, look at the reflection over there. There's a chap. I don't know if you can see it. Just there. I've got to get a picture of this with the reflection. Yeah, happy with that one. Zoomed in to about 140, 142. Oh, look at this person on the left. I've got to get this shot. This looks good with the dark and the shadows and the light. Just leaning on the wall having a cigarette. Anyway, I'm back at Euston now. Let's just get a few shots here. Oh, this chap with a hat, this looks interesting. Yeah, I'm happy with that shot. Oh yeah, this chap sitting there reading. I like the light and the shadows. Anyway, I'm back at Euston now, and if you enjoyed that video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I really look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.